Okay, new alky pump installed. There's our old one. We're all plumbed up. We got power supply on, so let's see if we can make some pressure. Seven. A little bit, about 30, 40. Okay. Take it to about 15. Yeah, it's about 70. Gee, look at that. Transducers ran away. 120, 130. Two. So we're around 80. Bouncing pretty good, 80, 90. Lots of pressure. And the difference between 22 and 30 is just not there on that gauge. That gauge just doesn't have the resolution. So I don't have a snubber on this one. I guess I need to put a snubber on it, but I'll do that when I'm doing the conversion. But yeah, a lot more pressure.